your knee just popped.
Narcolepsy.
Okay, you may begin.
The tower. I finally made it to the top without that witch. Let's get this door. Oh. I should have gotten the key. Oh. I thought the door was a little harder than that. Oh. Okay. Anyway. Look at you, sleeping beauty. Whoa. Thank God I'm only doing this for someone else. Wake up. Hey, wake up. Wake up. Wake up. Wake up.
Oh.
Are you awake?
Who are you?
What?
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 Oh.
I'm Prince Charming.
Oh.
Wake up!
Yeah.
I thought you were awake.
Oh, yeah. Prince, hi.
Hi, I'm Prince Charming. I can't even introduce myself. Wake up!
Ah, okay. What?
Hurry up,
Come
get
on.
up.
Come
Come
on.
on.
Come on.
Come on, we gotta go.
Don't get the bucket.
What?
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 What? What about a bucket?
What?
What? What is this? Hey, wake up!
Whoa. Okay. Sorry. Whoa.
Okay, what's going on?
Hi.
Hi.
You're pretty.
Who's that? I am Prince Charming.
Oh.
Yeah, so what was all that about? You just keep falling asleep?
I don't know. It's a family disease.
Oh, what kind of a disease is that? Wake up.
Oh, yeah. It's family disease.
What?
What?
Oh, come on, we gotta get out of here before
Okay.
that witch gets off.
Oh, hi.
Wake up.
Yeah.
How did you break through my impenetrable foam door?
It's made of foam?
Yes, can you not see the foam? I put it up to stop people from saving.
What's wrong with her? What did you do?
I
Wake
did
up.
nothing.
Wake up. I am Prince Charming, you know. Wake up.
I am
Screaming.
This is my castle!
Your
I should be obeyed! I'm the evil witch! I will deal with you! She is asleep!
Wake up. Wake up.
Hey, no, leave her asleep.
Why?
Because it works better for me. Her name is Sleeping Beauty, come on. You know what? I'm turning you into a frog.
Why?
Because I don't know. You have frog lips.
Why?
I don't know why. I guess you were
Are they
born with
cute?
them. No.
Oh.
They're disgusting.
Well, it was Prince Charming, though.
Now you're Prince Frog Lips.
Wait.
Oh,
Look out.
oh God, there was
Don't
a dream.
step back.
And there was cookies.
Don't step
and they were in
back.
the oven.
Don't step back. There's a pit with spikes and flames and crocodiles. Don't do it.
Oh.
Don't.
Look at all the
Hey,
herbs.
stay away from that crocodile pit.
No. Wait a minute. Don't fall. Don't fall.
All right,
Wake
you know
up.
what? I've had enough. You guys are being frogs now.
No.
But you can go back to sleep.
Oh, okay.
Hey, what's that?
What?
What's that?
I don't know. Tell me.
I don't know. I
Is it a
can't
frog?
tell. I can't
That's
see.
what you are.
Glasses. What is that?
Oh, the cookies again. Oh, God. Oh.
That is the remains of my foam door that you broke. No. You
Oh,
broke
what?
it. You're gonna
No,
pay
my
me back
big.
for that before I turn you into a frog.
How much was it?
$2.95. What?
Why is my door broken?
Excuse me.
Prince Frog Lips over there.
I'm trying to.
Oh, you're ugly. I've never gotten this close to you before. Stand back a few feet. Stand over here.
Wait, I need to paint. Hey.
Oh, thank you.
There you go. Sorry about the door.
Oh, no problem. We should get coffee sometime.
Yeah.
You know, despite the frog lips, you're kind of...
Wait, we need to save her.
Ah!
No! Not the pit! Hey, wake up.
Oh, What?
We defeated the witch.
We did?
Yes.
Oh, sweet, I'm awesome.
How'd you do that?
I don't know.
How'd you know that that was the witch's weakness?
What?
Let's get out
Oh,
of here.
crocodile?
Come on.
Yeah.
Come on.